Trust is the foundation of any human relationship. For cybersecurity in businesses, trust is essential. Not only does this industry require trust, it depends on it. As a company, we recognize that trust needs to be constantly earned. The launch of our Global Transparency Initiative in 2017 is testament to Kaspersky's full commitment to accountability and transparency. In broad strokes, our Global Transparency Initiative comprises 6 main pillars: cyber threat-related data storage and processing relocation to Switzerland, the creation of a network of transparency centers, regular independent audits of the company's internal business processes, a public vulnerability management program, the release of transparency reports, and the run of a cyber capacity building program. One of the Global Transparency Initiative's first endeavors was the relocation of cyber threat-related data storage and processing to Switzerland. Initiated in 2018, the relocation grew in its scope and now covers Kaspersky's users in Europe, North and Latin America, the Middle East, and also several countries in Asia Pacific. Our first transparency center was also launched in 2018 in Zurich. Currently, we have a solid network of them located in Europe, the Asia Pacific, North America, and beyond. Transparency centers are our trust-building facilities, where partners and customers can learn more about our solutions and practices and get first-hand experience in verifying the trustworthiness and integrity of our products. The visitors of our transparency centers have a unique opportunity to check what is under the hood of our products: the source code of our flagship solutions, threat detection rules, as well as AV database updates. As the first cybersecurity company to grant our customers such broad opportunities, we are determined to keep expanding our Transparency Center network to answer all the questions our partners and customers worldwide might have about our work. Running a vulnerability management program is integral to any cybersecurity system. At the forefront of transparency in the industry, Kaspersky takes this one step further by opening up to the public. Under our public bug bounty program, we invite literally everyone to report critical vulnerabilities or bugs found in our systems for a reward. Now let's hear it from our industry experts.
As far as the transparency policy is concerned, it is also important. It is multifaceted because it includes as to what are his supply chains, what are his dependencies, how the vendor manages data, the privacy issues, etc. So the transparency policy of the cybersecurity vendor is extremely important.
좋은 제품은 기술력으로 평가받아야 됩니다. 만약 그렇지 못하고 정치 논리에 제품의 우수성이 좌지우지 된다면 글로벌 사이버 보안은 매우 위태로워질 것입니다. 이러한 시점에 트랜스퍼런시 정책을 통해서 국경을 초월하는 제3자 검증 제도를 도입하는 것은 매우 시의적절해 보입니다. 국경을 초월하는 제3자 검증을 통해서 우리 스스로 자정 능력을 만들어갈 때 우리의 사이버 보안 생태계는 더욱 강해질 것입니다.
Tentu saja kalau perusahaan atau vendor ini bisa membuat suatu produk keamanan yang memang benar-benar aman, kemudian hebat, kemudian tangguh, dan tidak menyembunyikan apapun di dalamnya yang bisa merugikan pengguna. Oleh karena itu, program transparansi terhadap sistem keamanan yang kita beli itu sangat penting sekali untuk memastikan tidak ada dusta di antara kita. Karena itu, audit dari pihak ketiga atau penilaian independen dari pakar keamanan cyber terhadap produk, terhadap layanan, terhadap kepatuhan standar keamanan, dan lain-lain itu sangat penting sekali untuk memastikan bahwa produk tersebut memang produk yang benar-benar aman dan nyaman untuk digunakan.
Now let's hear from our cybersecurity expert Igor Kumagin on the technical aspects of third-party assessment.
One of the main pillars of our Global Transparency Initiative is the audit of Kaspersky products, software development processes, and data processing infrastructure. Such audits are always executed by an independent third-party organizations. The audit confirmed that Kaspersky secures the development and release of the antivirus databases with all necessary controls required in accordance with SOC 2 guidance, which means that our users can be confident that they provide secure and reliable service. The second one is ISO 27001 certification. This certification shows Kaspersky adherence to the best industry practices and existence of sophisticated risk management program for its threat-related data infrastructure.
Apart from building trust and developing our relationships with our partners, our Global Transparency Initiative enables us to spot troubling questions and identify the ways for further development. For instance, we learned that visitors were not able to make most of the visits to our transparency centers due to the existing need for cybersecurity capacities to properly approach product security evaluations. This pushed us to launch our Cyber Capacity Building Program, a dedicated training which aims to help organizations worldwide develop practical tools and knowledge for security assessments and assessing supply chain cyber resilience. At Kaspersky, we believe that transparency and openness are crucial in cybersecurity. Our Global Transparency Initiative showcases our ongoing commitment to protect our biggest asset, our partners and their trust. We're incredibly proud to see that some of the initiatives that Kaspersky pioneered are now turning into cybersecurity industry best practices and standards. For us, the concept of transparency goes beyond our initiative. In fact, it has now become one of the company's core values and influences all the aspects of our work, including our work with partners, cooperation with industry players and law enforcement, business operations, as well as internal and external communications. Transparency is crucial for enhancing trust and a vital prerequisite for a sustainable cyberspace that will help us build a safer world.